Namaste everyone. So in today's video, we are going to look at some drills to strengthen the core. There are about 6 to 8 practices. Alright, with that, let us look at the first practice. Remember, we are working on strengthening the core. So for the first one, you're going to come into table pose. Ensure the wrist, elbow and shoulder are in a straight line. Keep your toes tucked in and your knee is below the hip. Now from here, lift your knees up just an inch off the mat. Don't go up till here, just 1 inch. Lift your chin up and hold. Recommend that you hold for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. Keep a clock or a timer next to you. After 30 seconds, bring the knees down and relax. Common mistake here is once the knee is up, we tend to drop the chest down. So ensure you push the floor and keep the chest lifted up. It should be like a table. Again, remember 30 seconds and then you'll repeat this 2 more times. That makes it 3 sets. Second practice. It's a variation of the first one where from the table pose, you will transition to plank. Here, it not only strengthens your core, but will also build some strength in your wrist. So how will you do this? Lift your knees up. From here, move your chest forward and come back. Forward, back. Forward and back. If you're finding it difficult, just like me, feel free to move the knees a little back so that you're able to give a full stretch to the leg. So start from here, then stretch, straighten the knee, come back, forward and back, relax. So I've done only 3 repetitions. So you have to focus on doing 8 repetitions and then 3 sets. Next practice, again a variation of the same practice. First lift the knees up, again an inch off the mat. Then from here, you will take the leg back, bring it forward. Left leg back, bring it forward. Again, don't drop the knee. It has to be an inch above the mat. Leg back, forward, leg back, forward. So taking the right leg back and left leg back once, we'll make it 1 repetition. And like that, you do 10. Common mistake here is when you take the leg back, we tend to tilt the hip, or when the leg goes back, the left knee lifts up a little more. Ensure you maintain the alignment while moving the leg back and front. Okay, so next. So we are done with 3 variations of the first practice. Now we go to the classic plank hold. In plank, there are 2 variations. You can practice both or either. Start with wrist, elbow, shoulder straight line. Then from the table pose, slide your right leg back, left leg back, feet together, glutes tight, core tight, chest in between the palms. Common mistake here is we tend to go to Parvatasana or we tend to drop the hip. Ensure the hip and your shoulder is in a straight line. Hold here again 30 seconds to 1 minute and then repeat 2 more times. Or you can alternatively bring the elbows down, keep the elbow below the shoulder, interlock your fingers if you need or place them down like this. Again stretch right leg back, left leg back, glutes tight, core tight, chin lifted up. Hold. Push the floor with your elbows. Hold for 30 seconds to a minute and do 3 sets. So we're done with plank. Next practice is a wonderful practice to build good core strength. For this, you're going to lie down on your back. And there is one movement that you need to perform, which is called the pelvic tilt. Now, what is this? When you lie down, there is generally an arch in the lower back here. That is, you're able to take your hands through this gap. First, we need to close this gap by rotating the tailbone up. So, push it up and press the floor with your lower back. Now, my hands can't get through this gap. Now, throughout this practice, you need to maintain this pelvic tilt by pressing the floor. Now, keeping the back pressed against the floor, lift both your legs up. Don't create that arch. So, your awareness should be at the low back. From here, keeping your palms down, stretch the legs. Go as far as you can. Once you feel that spine is lifting up, like this, stop, push, come back up. With practice, you will observe that the back will keep pressing the floor and you will stretch forward and you will be able to come back. If you're doing it properly, take 1 or 2 fingers and press the stomach, it will be hard. So that means you have engaged the core. So keep this pelvic tilt and do 10 repetitions. Relax. Next practice is a variation of the same thing. Perform that pelvic tilt, lift your feet up, lift both your arms up and think you're holding a dumbbell in both your hands. And if you have a dumbbell at home, a 2.5 kilo or a 5 kilo dumbbell, integrate it to the practice. So hold the fist like this. You will take the left leg forward and your right arm back like a dead bug. And when you do this, this leg should not move, this arm should not move, and this back should not lift up. So there are many things to keep in mind while doing this. Come back up. Then take the right leg forward and the left arm back. Come back up. Throughout the practice, the core has to be engaged and the lower back has to be pressed against the floor. At no point you will arch your spine like this, relax and do it. Then there is no purpose in doing the practice. Again, 10 repetitions, 1 on the right, 1 on the left is 1. Like that you have to do 10 and 3 sets. Last practice is a very classic practice of leg raise and you move your head along with the leg raise. So, start by stretching your leg forward, keep your hands next to your waist, press the floor with your palms, keep your legs together. As you inhale, lift both the legs up, simultaneously lift your head up, bring the chin to the collarbone, exhale down. Don't drop the feet fully on the mat, go very close to the mat, come up. Inhale, leg up, head up, exhale, head down, leg down. Inhale up and exhale down. If you're finding it difficult initially, you may bend your knees slightly and do the same practice. All right. So, these were some practices focused on the core. The key is to practice them regularly, integrate it in your everyday plan. Like I said, it need not be practiced every day, at least thrice a week, a mixture of these practices to build strength in your core. In the subsequent videos, we look at how to condition other parts of the body. Thank you and happy practicing.